Hello students, welcome to my channel Run with Tricks. Today I am going to explain about methods of expression concentrations. Concentration terms can be expressed in mainly 5 ways. Concentration terms can be expressed in mainly 5 ways. Those are: first one, mass percentage; second one, mole fraction; third one, molarity; fourth one, molality; and fifth one, normality. So let us go for the first one, mass percentage. We can write the relation of mass percentage as mass percentage equals to mass of the solute to the mass of the solution into 100. So it is a relation of mass percentage. In questions, the mass of the solute is denoted by M2 and solution is MS solution. Okay, M2, and mass of the solvent is M1. So you know, solution means it is a mixture of solvent and solute. Solvent like water and solute like some crystals forms like sugar and salt. And another one, and we go to second one, mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is a ratio of total number of, it is a ratio of number of a particular component to the total number of moles of all the components. And yes, let us take two components A and B. Those are having moles as Na and Nb. So mole fraction of, let us, for mole fraction of A, mole, it is denoted by X. Okay, let's say mole fraction of A equal to number of moles of A to the number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. For mole fraction, for calculating mole fraction of B, it is number of moles of B to the number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. So mole fraction formula, number of moles formula is equal to given weight. In question, if they will give weight of the some compound molecule, given weight to the gram molecular weight of the molecule, it is the number of moles. So we should substitute here, and let us go to the third one, molarity. It is mostly wide units and denoted by M. It is defined as the number of moles of solute, moles of the solute to the volume of solution in liters. So we get so let's see the relation. Molarity equal to number of moles of solute to the volume of solution in liters. So for a quick answering, we get molarity equal to weight of the solute into gram molecular weight into 1 by volume of solution in liters. So okay, here W2 means weight of the solute weight, and in question they will give gram molecular weight, or you should calculate the gram molecular weight. And here volume of the solution, in question they will give the volume of solution also. So it is a simple way to calculate the molarity. It is denoted by capital M. Next shall we go to molality. So it is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solution. So we get relation here as molality equal to number of moles of solute to the mass of solution in kg. As molality is also a simple formula to calculate as molality equal to weight of the solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1 by mass of solution in kg. It is a simple way to calculate molarity. As molarity and molality have same formula, but there is a difference in the here. It is in molarity it is volume, and in molality it is mass of the solution. It is in liters and it is in kilograms. So let us see the last one. It is normality. And last one, fifth one, normality. Before going to normality, you should know one formula, that is equivalent weight. Formula for equivalent weight. Equivalent weight equal to atomic weight weight to the valency of the element. Valency of the element. So normality, in simple way, normality formula is normality equal to, so before going to the formula, let's define it. Normality is nothing but the number of gram equivalent weight of the solute present in a liter of the solution. It is denoted by capital N. So we go to normality equal to number of gram equivalent weight of the solute to the volume of the solution in liters. So for easy calculation, normality equal to weight of the solute to the gram equivalent weight. So here gram equivalent weight of a solute by 1 by volume of solution in liters. So it is about normality. So these are the concentrating terms: mass percentage, mole fraction, molarity and normality. Mass percentage is the mass of solute to the mass of solution into 100. You should not forget to calculate to do into 100. Mole fraction is the number of moles of particular component is the total components, and molarity equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. You should not forget the liters. It is 1 by liters, and you can also read it as 1 by 1000 by volume of solution in milliliters. And here molality equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solution, and here also you can write, in this place we can write 1000 by mass of solution in grams. You can write, and it is about the normality. Thank you.